The rice terraces of Ifugao, the mountains of North Philippines, perceived by many as the eighth wonder of the world. These were carved by hand about 2000 years ago at the hills of Ifugao by the ancestors of the Cordillera tribes. Due to common tradition of rice agriculture, most terraces are kept in good state until these days. Each requires a careful treatment by hand on a yearly basis, without the use of any heavy machinery. For 1 kilogram of rice to grow, 3000 liters of flowing through water is required. So the rice grows best in constant submerge. The water is essential for that. This is how the design of terraces was developed. It provides a flat ground with constant water flow of very low current, with the possibility to adjust the water amount and speed by easy ground adjustment. Mountain rivers and rainforests are the source of the water for the rice. The cultivation is done by primitive methods, without any modern techniques, heavy machinery, GMO or fertilizers. It often results in poor health of the farmers, who spend most of their days bending down, standing in the water. For the locals, the tradition is more important than the comfort. This is one of the reasons why the terraces are still kept in a great shape and have such a charm. Also, these are home to rich fauna, for instance a water snail, which shell is used for the production of moma, the Filipino drug.